First of all, thank you so much for such a wonderful session. I was with the Ashmin ma'am from last 2 years, but the things you taught us. No, I was a psychology student, but the things you had taught, that is really totally different. Now, earlier we were, our mind was, cluttered with so many things. We have to go this way, or that way. Now we are very focused. So whatever you had told the last on third, what you had taught about the energy transformation, the retrieval, that was really wonderful, and that works on me. 5 into 55, I worked on that earlier also, but this time it's really very energetic. And your yesterday's that session about neuroplasticity, that is really wonderful. And my in future definitely will try, not try, I'll do, it's my commitment, I'll try to send it to 5 people at least from my side.
Thank you so much, Hema.